Hey, here's a neat trick that builds on your knowledge and relationships of vertical parallel lines and transversals. When you're going to prove something with triangles, sometimes those segments stop. Even though the lines are parallel, it is okay to draw in the rest of those lines there. Keep them going a little bit because you're used to seeing parallel lines cut by a transversal like this. So then you can see when parallel lines are cut by this transversal, alternate interior angles, aha, this one, I'm going to make it green, and that one are congruent. Similarly, watch this. There's a transversal going this way too. And when those parallel lines are cut by that left to right transversal going up, it looks like this angle is congruent to this angle. And so sometimes your proof might get a little, the picture might get a little sloppy. That's okay. It's the bottom part that needs to be cleaned up, and sometimes it's okay to put in those marks. We have one mark yet to put in. I think there's another relationship here with vertical angles. We'll make those in purple, 3 arc marks for purple. Now we're ready to go and start making our statements. We know that EDC, angle EDC, I'm going to erase those because I can't really see the letters yet, but I have the important pieces in. EDC, okay, that's blue to green to purple is congruent to blue to green to purple. A, B, C. And DEC, which is green, blue, purple, is congruent to green, blue, purple down there. B, A, C. Because of the alternate interior angles theorem. We also know that ECD is congruent to ACB by vertical angles. Okay, nothing to fill in here, but it's good that we recognize those vertical angles. We got 3 congruent angles there. Now it's time to use one of our triangle congruence postulates, and let's see. ABC. Okay, so it's 2 marks, 1 mark, 3 marks is congruent to ABC, 2 marks, 1 marks, 3 marks. E, D, C. Order is important because of let's see what we've got. We've got, that represents, there's an angle. Oh, that's not working. That's an angle, and that's a side. A, S.